What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Easy Fix YouTube channel, where we show and explain how to repair all types of electronic devices. In today's video, we will be showing you how to disassemble a Sony PlayStation 4. This console came into our shop because the HDMI port was loose and did not keep a connection. The new HDMI port was shortly soldered onto the board after this disassembly. If you are new to the channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to Easy Fix and ring that notification bell, as we upload great content for our viewers at a very wide variety of electronic repairs. Also, please don't forget to slap that like button, as you always know that it helps us out to create more videos just like this one. As always, be sure to stay safe out there and enjoy the video.